All right, so you're going to go ahead and grab your box here, and then I'm just going to click on it so I can resize it. Your buttons obviously are going to look different than mine because I use the old version. I hate the new version, so this is like super old. So yeah, go ahead and do it 150 by, I think it's 3.8. I think I was doing math here just to, because math is hard. Yeah, do it to 3.8, which creates essentially a double box because a single box is 1.5 by 1.9, and which you'll see I will do those measurements right here because I find it easier to do it this way, and that way I can create my dotted lines with this. And I find sometimes just doing it the old hard way is just easier than trying to figure out some magic trick of lining something up, dividing it in half, doing this, doing that. No, ain't nobody got time for that. So I am lining up the box here. I'm just using the arrow keys and I'm lining up that top area where that green dot is. And you can see I moved it over. And I'm grabbing a line and changing the line style. I am doing dotted lines and I'm making them very thin, very, very thin, and the lightest color I possibly can. And then I'm going to line it up with that bottom of the box. And you can see there, lining it up, bringing it over and kind of centering it. And that is optional. You can freeball it and not do that. I think a line there to help you fold ain't gonna hurt nobody. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to the box because you have to add your other layers. But I will go ahead and put this below for you guys. That way you guys can have this template, and if you don't want to create it, you have mine right there. So I am going to go ahead, and I believe I get 8 on a page. I'm pretty sure. So again, I'm just going to duplicate it, and there's many different ways. I'm using a Mac, which I think is Command over arrow, whichever way you're going. And then I bring it down. But this is pretty much all you have to do with this part. So I will let you finish, and then I will show you the demo of actually how I use it. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and position this into place, and then I'm going to go to the cut settings, and we are just going to cut out the red. So I go to advanced cut settings, and I uncheck the dotted line one, and then I have custom ones, but I don't have them on this Mac, so I'm searching like, wait, what do I choose? So I choose white sticker paper, and then you want to adjust your speed however fast or slow you want it. Since these are boxes, you can go pretty fast, but obviously I have to test my depth on this one because I don't have my silhouette set up currently. But yeah, then you will print and you will cut and you will be good to go. All right, so I went ahead and printed this out, and I'm bringing it close to the camera so you can kind of see those dotted lines by my thumb. And then we are going to get to cutting. I actually ended up leaving it the same settings from earlier. And I forgot I don't have my setup, which is, I miss it already, but I don't miss it, but I do miss it. And I know the struggle is real, especially all the Halloween things coming out. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm cutting this bad boy out. Again, the red did not cut out because the red did not print out because that's just a cut line. So there you can see that box, which we had created, which is again, that 1.5 by 3.8, the 3.8 meaning the length. So I wanted to show you that you guys can see kind of the boxes once they are cut out. There we go. And you can see those fold lines. I don't necessarily need the fold lines, but I figured I'd put them on there. So grab that guy out. Okay. Sticky side is front and back. So when you're folding it, you're obviously not going to fold the sticky side together. So make sure the non-sticky side is together. Now, we are going to take a full box, which is sticky, to a sticky side. I know it probably seems very unnatural, but sticky full box. Oh, sorry, this is not in focus. The planner's in focus. Sticky full box to sticky side of one of the folded tabs. You could technically fold it after you did sticky to sticky, but I just figured it's easy. That's it. Literally, that's it. Now you extend it. So you just lay it down. And that is the beauty of these extenders. You get almost a full box size extender. Oh wait, it is a full box. Duh. So yeah, it's a beautiful extender, and I happen to have foil on that one. You know, loved it, and I match it. It's fine. But yeah, so non-sticky to non-sticky. Then you grab a full box. Voila. And that's it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.